You guys know I don't like to show my face on YouTube, but I do want to open this in front of you and say thank you for all of your help and support. This is our YouTube play button. Oh, wow, this is nice. Life is a special operation for passing 100,000 subscribers. I got this button for having over 100,000 subscribers, although we're currently at almost 250,000. It's very humbling and makes me very appreciative. I want to thank you, and I think it's particularly important to thank you during this Thanksgiving week, 2021, for supporting my channel. I want to thank you for supporting me. Without you, none of this would be possible. This is our award. It's yours and mine. Thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Life is a special operation. Are you ready for it?